How to declare on Joyabuy. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to declare on Joyabuy. So basically, declaring on Joyabuy typically refers to customs declaration for international shipments. For sellers, you have to prepare customs declaration information. If you're selling internationally, you'll need to provide accurate details about the product being shipped, including product description, value of the items, quantity and weight, country of origin. You should also provide necessary documentation. Depending on the product in the destination country, you may need to provide additional documents like invoices, certificates of authenticity, or other required paperwork to clear customs. Number three, custom declaration during shipping process. When you prepare a shipment through Joyabuy shipping service, there should be a step where you can fill in customs declaration details. This typically involves selecting the type of goods you're sending, example gifts, samples, commercial goods, and completing any forms needed for customs clearance. Number four, ensure accuracy. So make sure all information is accurate to avoid delays or issues without custom clearance. Number five, shipping and duties. Ensure you're aware of any import duties or taxes that may apply to the destination country. For buyers, you can track custom declaration. If you're purchasing from Joyabuy and the product is being shipped internationally, you may be required to pay customs duties, taxes, or provide custom information based on your country's requirement. Check with seller if the seller is handling international shipping. Ask them if they provide a customs declaration or any necessary documents for the custom process. Ensure compliance. Be sure to comply with any import regulations and make any necessary declarations upon receiving the product, especially if the value exceeds your country's duty-free allowance. For more detailed or specific instruction regarding custom declaration, it's best to check Joyabuy's guidelines or reach out to their support team. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.